Now to Juliana for Juliana's Giraffe Facts.
Hey CMS, did you know that giraffes can drink 12 gallons of water in one sitting and can go longer without water than a camel?
Haha, good one, Juliana. Now here are today's announcements.
Student Council is pleased to announce that we will be implementing a new tradition at our Student of the Quarter assemblies. We will be honoring a staff member of the quarter. You can nominate any teacher, member of the support staff, custodian, or any other adult who works at CMS by completing the form located in the main office. You will need to include a written explanation of why you feel this person deserves this award and the positive impact they had on you and the CMS community. Please submit these forms to the main office before Flex on Wednesday, November 6th.
Any students who are interested in joining the decorated CMS Math Counts team should plan to attend the first practice on Monday, November 4th. Practices will be held every Monday until 4 p.m. in room 99 by the band room. If you have any questions, stop by to ask Mr. Folds or message him on Schoology.
The library is now forming Dungeons and Dragons groups to begin meeting in mid-November. Students may form groups of 2 to 4 players. If you do not have a group, you can apply as a single player, and we will do our best to place you with a group. Space is limited. Interested students should fill out the form on the library webpage. The deadline to register is November 11th.
The CMS Middle School Knights are pleased to announce that Lillian Kohler and Rachel Mushikin have been selected to be our Students of the Week. Congratulations to both of you, and thank you for being a positive role model at CMS.
Any student interested in attending a November career exploration, please stop down in the guidance office on November 20th. We will be taking interested students to Harrington Hoist. They are a leader in the crane industry and located in Lancaster. Space is available upon first-come, first-served basis.
Attention CMS. We are holding a pet supply drive to benefit the Pet Pantry of Lancaster County from November 1st to November 26th. 7th and 8th grade will compete to see who can bring in more donations. Pet Pantry is asking for Swiffer WetJet hardwood floor mopping and cleaning solution refills, Clorox brand wipes, cat and dog toys, cat and dog beds, KMP kitten milk replacement formula, 13-gallon trash bags, dry dog and cat food, canned dog and cat food, and paper towels. Let's see which grade can bring in more. Grade level donation boxes will be located in the main lobby.
During the month of November, we are going to celebrate an attitude of gratitude. Each day, some of our CMS students are going to share with you something they appreciate about one of their teachers. Here are today's grateful students.
What is your favorite thing about Miss Ressler?
Probably when she would just start working out in class and doing her dance moves.
What's your favorite thing about Miss Santiago?
She's very kind, sweet, and funny.
I really appreciate Mrs. Jansky for being a really fun teacher last year and always keeping the classes entertaining and really funny, and she's a really great teacher.
Attention students, get ready for Moomal's Math Minute Monday. Every Monday, a math problem will be presented on WCMS. Think you've got the answer? Write it down, show your work, make sure you include your first and last name, and drop it in the box outside the main office before the end of the day. Each week, Dr. Moomal will draw from the submissions and announce a lucky winner. Get your pencils ready, and let's see those math skills in action.
Good morning. So it was actually 2 weeks ago that we had a problem about shadows. So the word problem said a tree casts a shadow that is 12 feet long. So when I do word problems like this, I like to draw pictures. There's my tree, and here's my shadow that is 12 foot long. There's a nearby 4-foot pole. Whoops. So the pole is 4 foot, and the shadow of the pole is 3 feet long. So the question is, how tall is the tree? So what happens is the sun's going to cast proportional length of shadows. I could set up a proportion with this problem. the height of the tree over the shadow should be equal or proportional to the height of the pole over the shadow, the length of the shadow. When I solve this problem, I'm going to cross multiply. X times 3 is 3x. 12 times 4 is 48. I divide by 3 on both sides, and the tree is 16 feet tall. Our winners, head on down to the office when I call your name. Grayson Angelo, Bella Angelo, Caitlin Keel, Bryn High, Deanna Trinaku, Ashan Zubidi, and Lily Over. And also there was a student, Olive, but I did not get your last name, Olive. Make sure you always put your first and last name, please. This week's problem is about mixing paint.
Today's lunch is crispy fried chicken or cheeseburger.
Today's weather is partly cloudy with a high of 64 and a low of 52. Tomorrow's weather is partly cloudy with a high of 76 and a low of 62.
Remember, we are CMS. See, choose to be safe, and make responsible decisions, and show respect. Have a magnificent Monday!